Let us start how to write the numbers. Decimal numbers with base 10 starting from 0 to so on. Binary numbers have base 2 and including only two digits 0 and 1. Octal numbers having base 8 including numbers 0 to 7, and hexadecimals having base 16 0 to 9 and A to F. I have written for you the decimal numbers 0 to 15, octal numbers 0 to 7, hexadecimal numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. And let us understand how to write the binary numbers against it. How to write, remember and listen carefully. 0, 1, 10, 11, then 100, 101, 110, 111, then 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, and after that 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111. After that put zeros in these places. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now let us understand the numbers. Which numbers are correct numbers? Number binary uses only 1 and 0, and so 1 3 is not a binary number, 0 1 is a binary number, 1 0 1 is a binary number, 1 0 1 0 is a binary number. The combination of zeros and ones only. And similarly, if in between we are having 2 3 4 5 any other number, it will not a binary number. Similarly, in octal numbers we will have 0 to 7, 8 and 9 will not include in these numbers. So 79 will not be a octal number because 9 includes in between. 1 3 is yes, 2 6 is yes, 2 9 is not a octal number because 9 includes. 1208 is also not a octal number because 8 is include in between. So decimal numbers, all the numbers are decimal numbers that we are using nowadays. 13, 15, 19, 100, 112, 500, 5000, 6000, 18,000. All the numbers are decimal. Let us understand the numbers again. I have written 13 with base 10. It is a decimal number, yes. 13 with base 8. It is a octal number, yes. 13 with base 16. It is a hexadecimal number, yes. But 13 with base 2. It is not a binary number because it should be a combination of 0 and 1 only. Let us understand conversions. We have two type of conversion, from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, or to binary to decimal, octal to decimal, or hexadecimal to decimal. When we are converting decimal to binary, octal or hexadecimal, we should divide, and vice versa, we should multiply. Let us take one example, decimal to binary. Let us take 42 decimal. How to write 42 decimal to binary? We have to find this much answer. Let us understand how to convert decimal to binary. Decimal number 42, decimal to binary conversion, we should divide by 2 because we want the base 2 now, so divide by 2. 2 21s are 42, it should be 0. 2 10s are 20, it should be 1. 2 5s are 10, it should be 0. 2 2s are 4, it should be 1. And 2 1s are 2, it should be 0. And how to write the answer? Answer writing like that: 1 0 1 0 1 0. 42 decimal is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 binary. See how to do it. 42 divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and here it is 0. Write 21 here and 0 here. Then again 21 divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, and it should be 0. 10 will be here and 1 will be here. Then again 10 divide by 2. 2 5s are 10, 5 and 0. Then again by 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 and 1. Then again 2 divide 2, it should be 1 and 0. this number should be here and the remainder should be here. That you should remember.